Lezi ndaba zehora lesikhombisa sikwethulela zona bukhoma ekomkhulu le-SABC i-Auckland Park eGoli naze nohlonze kusihlwa nje.
I would like us to get to the bottom of all this, what the police commissioner of KZN alleged, to be addressed and answers to come out within a short space of time.
Umengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa uthi ikhomishana ezophenya insolo ezenziwa umkhuzo wamaphoyisa kwaZulu-Natal uLieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi kuzofanele liphothule umsebenzi walo esikhathini esingaphansi konyaka.
All those parts put together constitute a total that has been estimated at 4.4 billion as we speak.
Kungase kudle imali ecela kumabhiliyoni amahlanu amarandi ukwakhiwa kabusha kwezakhiwo zePhalamende ezangqongqiswa umlilo eminyakeni emibili edlule. Namhlanje inkantolo ephakeme yaseThekwini bilalela isicelo somlawulo ongaphansi kwebhange lombuso njengoba efuna ukwedlulisa isinqumo senkantolo esavumela ibhange ithalo ukuba liqhubeke ukusebenza okwesikhashana.
La 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 la, hey, la 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 la, la 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 la, la la la. Baba buba, ikasomlanga.
Ukapteni weqembu lesizwe lekhilikithi Proteas uThemba Bavuma kanye namanye amalungu eqembu lesizwe bemukelwe ngenhlokomo ngesikhathi behambisa indebe ye-World Test Championship elokishini. uBavuma akhulela kulo kwalanga eKapa eWestern Cape. Nabembenambeni inkulu inkabinga kaBishop Khali siyajoqa ayisavume ukuyejokeni siyakhuleka nenabezinyane lengezengeze. Umengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa uthi ikhomishana ezophenya insolo ezenziwa umkhuzo wamaphoyisa kwaZulu-Natal uLieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi kuzofanele liphothule umsebenzi walo esikhathini esingaphansi konyaka. Ubekhuluma esifundazweni iNorthern Cape ngesikhathi ehola uhlelo lwecabinet lakhe lokubheka ukusebenza kohulumeni walesifundazwe kanye nomasipala bakhona.
Ukusungulwa kwekhomishana ezophenya ngezinsolo ezibekwe obala ngomkhuzo wamaphoyisa kwaZulu-Natal ngokugcambukela kosombusazwe ekusebenzeni kwamaphoyisa abezindaba bazange bakushiye ngaphandle ngesikhathi bethola ithuba lokuxoxa nomengameli ohambeni lwecabinet obelise Northern Cape namhlanje. Umengameli uthe ufuna le khomishana ibe isiwuphothulula umsebenzi ejutshele wona kungakapheli isikhathi esingangonyaka.
And I expect that this commission, whose terms of reference are now out, will work very quickly. And we've put clear time frames. Would like a report within 3 months and another report within another 3 months. So I'm looking at a period which is no more than a year. In fact, I would like us to get to the bottom of all this, what the police commissioner of KZN alleged, to be addressed and answers to come out within a short space of time.
Nake nohambo lwakhe losuku umengameli nethimba lakhe longqongqoshe sebehambele isifundazwe eziyisithupha selokhu kwethulwa lolu hlelo lokuvakashela kwezifundazwe ukuhlola indlela esiqhuba ngayo umsebenzi ezibekelwe wona wokuhlinzeka ngezidingo zomphakathi. Inselele eqamile eNorthern Cape ungenzi kahle kweningi lomasipala.
Persistent challenges still remain that are prevalent in the province. National Treasury's 2024 Provincial Socio-Economic Review points to an increase in the percentage of people living in poverty here in the Northern Cape.
Kuphunywa nesiphakamiso sokuthi mhlawumbe kuzofanele kubhekisiswe neminye yemigomo ephathelene nohlelo lokheha abatshali imali esifundazweni. Umengameli Ramaphosa necabinet lakhe sebezoqhubekela eNorthwest ohambeni oluzolandela lokuvakashela ifundazwe.
Kungase kudle imali ecela kumabhiliyoni amahlanu amarandi ukwakhiwa kabusha kwezakhiwo zePhalamende ezangqongqiswa umlilo eminyakeni emibili edlule. Lokhu kuhlaluke ngesikhathi kwethula umbiko phambi kwekomiti elibhekele ukuphathwa kwemali yePhalamende malungana nebanga selihanjiwe ngalokhu.
Bank of South Africa ithi kuyaqhubeka ukwakhiwa kabusha kwePhalamende likazwelonke ngemuva kokuthi langqongqiswa umlilo eminyakeni emithathu edlule. Leli bhange lithi usonkontileka walomsebenzi waqokwa ngombasa kulonyaka.
Things really happen for now. I see that you will see the cranes and all of that, but the crane is just for material handling for us. As I've shown you the video, there are pillars that we're talking about. So those pillars, because the building now, we are adding another 2 floors plus the roof at the top, which has never existed before. So at this point in time, you may not see the work is happening underground at this point in time.
Wakha kabusha iPhalamende zingase zidle imali ecela kumabhiliyoni amahlanu amarandi kanti kulindeleke ukuthi umsebenzi wokwakha uphothulwe ngozibandlela.
The refurbishment of the old assembly as well as rebuilding of the new assembly. All those parts put together constitute a total that has been estimated at 4.4 billion as we speak.
We are intolerable to lousy excuses why the project has not been completed on time. That is the posture and the attitude we take as the Oversight Committee. We cannot easily take excuses about the weather. We can't, unless if there are unexpected occurrences like cyclones.
AmaHawks athi njengamanje uZandile Mafe uyena yedwa umsola owaboshwa malungana nalesihlakalo nokubikwa ukuthi akakulungele ukuqola icala ngenxa yokuphazamiseka ngokwengqondo.
Namhlanje inkantolo ephakeme yaseThekwini KwaZulu-Natal inkantolo ibilalela isicelo somlawulo ngaphansi kwebhange lombuso njengoba efuna ukwedlulisa isinqumo senkantolo esavumela ibhange iThala ukuba liqhubeke nokusebenza okwesikhashana.
Ummeli weThala uAdvocate Sandile Khumalo utshela inkantolo egcwele ukuthi leli ibhange belikhokhi ikweletu zalo ngaphansi kwesolo mlawuli inyanga eziyishumi-nantathu ngaphandle kweinkinga. Kepha yize kunjalo kwafakwa isicelo sokuba lihlakazwe leli ibhange. Ummeli womlawuli waleli ibhange ojutshwe yibhange lombuso uthe isinqumo senkantolo abafuna ukuzidlulisa sanikeza leli ibhange igunya lokuba liqhubeke nokwamukela imali yabantu ngongemthetho. Uthe iThala liqhubekile nokuthatha imali yamakhasimende izimvume ekhethekile yokwenza lokhu yaphela ngozibandlela ngo-2023. Lo mmeli uphinde waveza ukuthi incwadi kaMgcini Mafa kahulumeni yesibophezelo sika-2 billion amarandi yayingasho ukuthi leli ibhange lizosithola ngempela lesi sibophezelo. Uhulumeni wesifundazwe uthi ukuhlakazwa kwaleli ibhange elinezisebenzi ezingama450 kungadala umonakalo omkhulu. Kulindeleke ukuba isinqumo siphume emasontweni amabili.
Namhlanje ummeli kaTiffany Micky uqhubekile nokupheka ngembuzo ufakazi ombuso esicolweni sebhayili ecaleni lokubulala indodana yakhe bineminyaka e-10 uJayden Lee Micky obeneminyaka e-10 njengoba sesibikile.
Ummeli kaMicky uthi ukhathazekile ngobufakazi obethulwa ufakazi bombuso obuthi umsolo wabuyela endlini yakhe ngentathakusa ngemuva kokuchitha ubusuku emzini kanina ngosuku okwabikwa ngalo ukuthi uJayden Lee wayedukile. Kepha ufakazi wombuso usamile ukuthi isidumbu sikaJayden Lee Micky sabonwa isakhamuzi salapha kanye nonogada ngemuva kokuhamba kukaMicky.
The statements given under oath are that when she arrived she was alone and according to her she locked the flat and left, and no one has ever gone, and there was only one set of keys. Therefore, if she only had one set of keys, how could the second person be into the house? How would that person could have gotten access to the house?
How do you know the accused only had one set of keys?
She said so in her affidavit.
She could have been lying.
Under oath.
Because she lied about everything else.
Under oath.
According to you.
Ummeli kaMicky uphinde wakuphikisa ukuthi umphakathi usomjikelile unina kaMicky.
That private investigation company can bring another suspect before this court and the state is forced to withdraw the charges against the applicant. That same community members will stand by the applicant and her family and oppose that suspect's bail.
Ukulalelwa kwesicelo sebhayili kuzoqhubeka ngomsombuluko kanti kulindeleke ukuba kwethulwe isinqumo ngolwesibili.
Kusenjalo lihlehliselo lesihlanu lizayo icala labasolwa ababili ababhekene necala lokudlwengula babulale intombazanyana eneminyaka esikhombisa ubudala. Kubika ukuthi le ntombazanyana yagcina ukubonakala ngesikhathi yodlala nomngane wayo nokwathi ngakusasa yatholakala isishonile futhi isidumbu sayo sikhombisa ukuthi yashaywa ngesihluku.
Le ntwazana iminyaka esixhenxe ubudala uLilitha ubuyile ekhayeni lakhe evela esikolweni. Suke apho waya kudlala nomntwana wasebumelwaneni ngemini ngolwesibini kwalapha eKuyasa. ugqityelwe ngelo lixa ukubonwa ephila. Uthe wakhangelwa emveni kokuba abazali bakhe beqaphele ukuba akabuyelanga ekhaya kwangethuba. Ukusweleka nokubulawa ngolunya kwakhe kucunukise uluntu liphela.
I think this case speaks on behalf of many. It's not just this case. I think Lolita, as a little girl, speaks on behalf of the 3 children that are murdered every day in the country. Remember, at the moment, we're facing about 25 murders per week of children in South Africa, and it's almost 100 per month.
Uluntu kwanemibutho yasekuhlaleni iqhankqalaze ngaphandle kwalenkundla ibongoza ngelithi makuveze ubulungiswa ngakulilitha.
Oluhlobo nanezinga elinyuka ngalo uxhatshazo labantu abangamama nokubulawa kwabantu abangamabhinqa nabantwana kufunisa into bangabana sizinkokheli kumanqanaba onke sithathe izigqibo ezinyulu nezigqibo ezibangela into sihlangane sonke ngokungachemanga kwembutho ezopolitiki.
Ulilishwa ke into okubana ngoku simane sisenza ingxolo ne-awareness kuwo onke amaphondo 9 alapha eMzantsi kuxa lisenyuka izinga lokubulawa kwabantwana nabantu abangomama.
Mlamli Maneli wendaba ze-SABC eKapa.
Mbukeli sathi qoyitolo kanti mama besibuya sizokuphathela udaba oluthi.
We have replaced about 20 transformers in this community alone at 400,000 each of those transformers, and this is the money that we are not actually recouping from the community.
Isithi Power siphinde sagasela eThepisong eNtshonalanga Randi siyonqamula ugesi esithi awukhokhelwa izakhamuzi zakuleya ndawo. Asibingelele sikwamukele mbukeli uma basona kungena odabeni oluphambili besibike ukuthi umengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa uthi ikhomishana ezophenya insolo ezenziwa umkhuzo wamaphoyisa kwaZulu-Natal kuzofanele liphothule umsebenzi walo esikhathini esingaphansi konyaka. Mbukela sikhumbuze ukuthi lezi ndaba ziyatholakala ku YouTube na ku SABC Plus. Wena kumele ukwenze ngena kuzo uyicinga ngamagama athi SABC izindaba na kanjani uzoyithola ngobunjalo bazo uma nje siqeda ukuyisakaza. Bangaphezulu kwe-15 abantu abangenawo amaphepha bagunyaza ukuba kuleli ababoshwe ngesikhathi kugaselwe emjondolo eGinger Park eFourways eGoli. Lo mkhankaso obuholwa imeya umkhandlu udolobha eGoli uDada Mrero.
Imeya yaseGoli uDada Morero kanye namaphoyisa bagasele emjondolo. Umurero uzwakalise ukukhathazeka ngesibalo esiphezulu semjondolo kuleli dolobha wathi lokhu kunomthelela omkhulu ezingeni lobugebengu.
There's a lot of criminal activity happening. We have identified one house or shack where there's been drug activity selling, so the police were able to apprehend and arrest the individual, and they did find some of the substances.
Imjondolo engahlali umuntu icekelwe phansi.
We also found unoccupied structures that are not complete. People are still building them. So in order to limit that, we had to remove those structures. So it's not even, it's about 8 structures that were removed, and then 17 undocumented nationals were taken.
Amalungu omphakathi azokalise intukuthelo yawo ngesimo abahlala ngaphansi kwaso.
We don't have electricity access here. We can't charge phones first time. We can't work. We can't do nothing. But we can only contain the complaints from the government and the community.
Imeya yaseGoli ithi ukugasela okufana nalokhu kuzokwenzeka njalo emjondolo. Uxwayiseke ngokuthi angeke abekezelele abantu abangawuthobeli umthetho.
Isikhungo iCity Power siphinde sanikele eThepisong eNtshonalanga Randi siyonqamula ugesi esithi awukhokhelwa izakhamuzi zakuleya ndawo.
Namhlanje iCity Power igasele la iqhakwe izinhlaka ezehlukene zomthetho ezifaka phakathi amaphoyisa abehlome izingovole gaxe izinhlokohlela zesibhamu njengoba bekuzocinyelwa abantu abangawukhokheli ugesi. Lokhu kube nomthelelo ongemuhle ebantwini.
We are enough. We are not listening to you. We are going to the street. I cannot stop them. I tried to stop my community not to go to the street. And there's an evidence that there are videos where I'm talking to them, don't go to the street. You will be killed. You will be arrested.
Lentombi endala ifonqa isigqoko yaphaphatha kulesikhungo ithi nje uma kukhanyisiwe nje kobe sekwenele.
Ngibhlungu kakhulu ngoba lento iaffecte iyouth kakhulu, especially abantwana besikole abafundayo.
Ingane azikwazi ukustadisha ebusuku amakhandlela ashisa imikhukhu inkinga ziningi ezenzakala eFlakfontein siyacela.
iCity Power ithi amabhiliyoni amarandi selahlekile njengoba kunabantu abadla amandla ayo.
Since January, we have replaced about 20 transformers in this community alone at 400,000 each of those transformers. And this is the money that we are not actually recouping from the community because they haven't been buying electricity. Look, due to illegal connections across the city of Johannesburg, in the past year, we have lost about 2.5 billion rands.
Umphakathi walapha uthi sekuphele isonto lonke uhlezi bomnyameni kanti mningi kakhulu nomonakalo usuwenzile ngalokhu.
Seliqalile uhlelo lokwakhiwa kwezindlu zesikhashana eGcuwa esifundazweni eEastern Cape nalapha kuzogcinwa kuzo laba abakhahlanyezwa zikhukhula kulesi sifundazwe.
Ukwakhiwa kwezindlu zethutyana kuyaqhuba. Uhulumende umaxhapheshwe aphawule xexesha nanjengoko abantu abaninzi kufuneka bephumile kwiindawo abakhoselise intloko kuzo. Ngamakhulukhulu awathi ashiyeka engenazo iindawo zokuhlala emva kwezantyalantyala zemvula. Kungoku nje basafihle intloko kwiiholo zasekuhlaleni. Uhulumende uthi wonwabile ngesantya abanikezeli ngenkonzo abahamba ngaso.
We are happy with the progress that we see here, given the fact that there have been hurdles about a piece of land which was supposed to be availed so that the department is able to assist people. And we are here today, as you can also see. And then there's progress and there's enough land, and the nice thing is that the land belongs to government.
Umhambe hlala ucele inkosi kunye nabahlali ukuba bamkela abantu abangenamakhaya kwindawo abahlala kuzo.
The people shall govern, and ours is to provide inkonzo for the people. Now, if people are blocking government from providing what government is supposed to provide for the people, then it becomes a challenge.
Kusenjalo amaxhoba aqhubeka ukufumana uncedo kwimibutho engenzi inzuzo khona ukuze bafumane into eswaphantsi kwempumlo. Ndinkululeko Nyembizo endaba ze-SABC eButterworth.
Ungqongqoshe wezokuhlela nokuqashwa komsebenzi kahulumeni ehhovisi likaMengameli uMarupin Ramokgopa wethule inkulumo emhlanganweni wokuqala wongqongqoshe bamazwe e-G20 obubanjelwe eKruger National Park eMpumalanga.
Umhlangano wokuqala wongqongqoshe emva kwemihlangano eminingi ebanjwe emasontweni adlule. Amaqembu asebenza ngentuthuko axazulwe inselele ezibhekene nomhlaba ngokubambisana.
We are actually excited precisely because this is one of the priorities that Brazil already had. So it means that we are actually continuing with what Brazil has put in place. We are actually going to make sure that whatever it is that was agreed upon in Brazil and the new things that we are putting in place would then now be able to deal with hunger.
Lezithunywa ke ziqhamuka emazweni ahlukene ziphinde zabelana ngembono kulezi ngxoxo zentuthuko.
So the social protection and the illicit financial flows really central for the G20 agenda because we have to achieve the 2030 agenda. Without social protection we cannot, because part of the core principle of the 2030 agenda, the SDGs, is to leave no one behind.
Undunankulu waseMpumalanga unxuse izithunywa kuba zitshale imali kulesifundazwe.
So we'll ensure that all the investors that they will be investing here in our country, not only here in Mpumalanga and South Africa, that we will level the playing field for them to come and invest here.
Lo mhlangano ke uphothulwe namhlanje.
Ukapteni weqembu lesizwe lekhilikithi Proteas uThemba Bavuma kanye namanye amalungu eqembu lesizwe bemukela ngenhlokomo ngesikhathi behambise indebe ye-World Test Championship elokishini uBavuma khulela kolona kwaLanga eKapa.
Kwalangi lapho ukapteni weProteas uThemba Bavuma aqala khona ukudlala ikhilikithi ngenkathi eseyingane manje ubuye kule ndawo njengeqhawe njengoba nje iProteas isigcina inqobo umqhudelwano wekhilikithi iWorld Test Championship.
Langa, that's where things started for me, and now I have the opportunity to bring back this historic feat to share this moment with the people here. So yeah, very, very humbling, strengthens that gratitude, and I think for the people here, like I said, you know, it gives them an opportunity again to just dream.
Abanye abadlali beProteas babeka nye noBavuma kwaLanga.
We're here in Langa, and I can't wait to be traveling
around the country just to share the happiness that we have with everyone else, because I know they've been supporting us.
Abadlali abasebancane bekhilikithi kwaLanga bakujabulelile ukubona amaqhawe abo.
They come to us and surprise us, and I love what they do. It's very good. The captain's the best, and I hope the cricket team have a good day.
Ezinye zakhamuzi zizwakalise ukujabula.
In all the world, first class is Langa. So I wish for the best. Even next time when you go and play again, bring it back again. Don't leave it there.
I feel proud and I want to say good job to them.
Lo mbukiso bukwaLanga ubungokuqala njengoba umbukiso walendebe uzoqala kahle ngokusemthethweni ngomandulo nokuyilapho okulindeleke kuba iProteas ihambele amadolobha ahlukene kuleli.
Ibanyana Banyana izobhekana neGhana emidlalweni okubanga indondo yethu simaduze njengehora leshagalolunye emqhudelwaneni neWAFCON oqhubekayo eMorocco.
Umdlalo wendondo yethusi umdlalo abadlali abaningi abangafuni ukudlala. Abadlali baleli qembu basaphatheke kabi ngemuva kokulimala komdlalo leli qembu emidlalweni wangolesithathu kanti iningi selifuna ukuzibuyela ekhaya. Kodwa leli qembu ligqugquzela ukuthi le ndondo lifuna ukuyinqoba njengendlela yokuvalelisa abadlali abafana noJermaine Siphosenwe njengoba sethatha umhlala phansi eqenjini lesizwe.
A lot of the players have joked with me about, my legacy and all those things, but it's very interesting to be in that position. Obviously in the past I wasn't that person, but now I am, and it's a responsibility that I've accepted, and I do appreciate it, the way they see me and the leader that I've been for them.
Has
realized what a big role model she is for some of the players out there, and we're thankful and grateful for everything that she's done for the national team. I actually don't think we can thank her enough for what she's done.
Lo mdlalo uzoqala ngehora lesishagalolunye ebusuku. Leli qembu kulendele libuyele kuleli ngolesithathu.
Mbukelo umhlahlo wesimo sezulu yalandela emva kwekhefu. Mbukeli usale kahle.